Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix Capitec bank app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Capitec bank app. So if it's not work, you can watch this video. So click on here, then click on this I button. After that you have to scroll down, click on the storage, clear the storage. Okay, then you have to like check for the update, go for the Capitec bank. Okay, search for here Capitec bank app, then you have to download your update, and if it's like solved, then okay. If it's not solved, you have to reinstall the app. So reinstallation is easy. Click on here, then click on this uninstall button, click on OK, and after that you have to go to the Play Store and install it again. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.